Good evening, greetings of Pohila Phalgun and a very happy Valentine's Day. Welcome to the Daily Stock Market Update. The DACX slipped back into the red zone today as it lost 29 points or 0.41% and settled at 7,061 points. Market turnover was 12.42 billion taka, which is a decrease of 2.65% compared to the previous trading day. United Power, Titash Gas, Summit Power, Power Grid Bangladesh and Khulna Power from the fuel and power sector, Walton, Beximco, GPH Ispat and BBS Cables from the industrial sector and Unilever and National Tea Company from the food and allied sector mainly dragged the market down today. In terms of sector-wise return, the tannery sector posted the highest gain of 2.35%, while the life insurance sector registered the second highest gain of 0.64%. On the other hand, the general insurance sector posted the highest loss of 1.74%. 7 industrial companies and 4 textile companies were among the top 20 losers today. Tamich Textiles, Genex Infosys and National Life Insurance registered the highest gain, while Reliance Insurance, Far East Islami Life Insurance and Dulamia Cotton were the top losers. Investors exerted buying pressure on Tamich Textiles despite a recent query from DSE regarding its continuous price hike without any price-sensitive information. Genex Infosys gained in value as investors might be interested in the company considering its upcoming record date. Despite posting a higher annual EPS and declaring 25% cash dividend, Reliance Insurance may have failed to meet investors' expectations. There is no price-sensitive information for the remaining stocks. The trading volume of BD Thai Food, National Life Insurance and Tamich Textiles increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. Tamich Textiles increased in volume even though it responded to a recent query from DSE that there is no undisclosed price-sensitive information behind its recent price and volume hike. There was no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of the remaining stocks. Today's top 2 news. Rising default amounts due to disbursement irregularities and lower recovery rate has caused loan write-offs to swell in the banking sector. Around 9.74 billion taka has been written off from banks' balance sheet between January to September of 2021, while the recovered amount was 4.72 billion taka only during that period. Banks have a tendency towards writing off loans to make their statements look good, especially when the chances of recovery very low. Fear of a possible invasion of Ukraine by Russia that could disrupt oil supply if the US and Europe impose sanctions on Russia have caused global oil prices to hit a 7-year high. For a long time, the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries and its allies have already been struggling to fulfill demand. Bangladesh is at risk of further inflationary pressure as Bangladesh Bank has recently found in a study that the increase in oil price is the main reason behind the rising inflation in the country. That's all for today. We will be back again tomorrow with more updates on Dhaka Stock Exchange. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.